Hi guys, this is a little video telling you how to win you probably won't win it. You might. How to win all this stuff, including a Ninjago Kai alarm clock and all these books. All you simply have to do is go to let's just find it. ladybird.com//win. And you could win these Ninjago books, not just these, but all these. So yeah, please rate, comment, and subscribe. If I did win this, although it is probably like a 1 out of 100,000 chances that I would give probably about a quarter of these away. So yeah, the others I'd keep to review. But yeah, thanks guys for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And enter now at ladybird.com/win.